Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. McCauley. I thought that we could go over some of our foundation sounds this way. It's not going to be exactly like we do it at school, but that's okay. We know that things are different these days, and that's okay. So we're going to change things up a little bit and learn in different ways. So I thought we could go over some of our new foundation sounds from Unit 10. The first few things are some review. So we have our welded sounds or our glued sounds. That's when the vowel goes with the two consonants, but it's all together. It makes one sound. So we have ing, like ring, ank, like bank, ung, like lung, and then the last one you see there, onk, that's kind of a new one. We didn't talk about it too much in school. That one is onk, and the sound is onk. And the picture we would use is a horn, like honk. And let me get the picture. So I have just one big chart, and I will point, oops, sorry, it's a little shaky. I will point to the sounds. So this unit, we're talking about ANK, bank, ank, ONK, honk, onk, and ING, ring, ing. Oh dear. And UNG, lung, ung. So those are our glued sounds. Okay, moving on to our consonant blends, where we have two consonant letters that come together to make a sound, or they blend together. The first ones you see there are beginning blends. So we've got SL says sl, FR says fr, TW says twa, TR says tr, and BL says blah. Those blends come in the beginning of a word. You'll never see them at the end of a word. Then we have some ending blends. We have NT, which says nt, MP, which says mp, ND says nd. Those three you'll only find at the end of a word. Then we have ST, which can come in the beginning or the end of a word. ST in the beginning could be like stop. ST at the end could be like fist. Then we have this one that we had talked about before school closed. It's a consonant digraph blend. That means there's a consonant, N, and then a digraph, CH, and it all blends together. NCH on its own is nch, not unch or anch, just nch. Depending on what vowel is in front of it, then it makes that sound. So if it had a U in front, that would be unch. If it had an A in front, that would be anch. Alrighty. The other thing we're going to talk about in Unit 10, and I apologize for the video being a little shaky. I'm using my phone. This is the first time I'm doing it, so just hang in there with me. I'll get better. But the other thing we were going to talk about in Unit 10 of Foundations is base words and endings again. We had learned about adding S and ED and ING in school, and now Foundations is catching up with it. We had already talked about it, but now it's in Foundations too. So the first word you see there in green is cats. The base word is cat. You add the ending S and it becomes cats. second word in green is stops. The base word is stop. You add S and it becomes stops. I put cats and stops because when we add an S, sometimes it can make the word mean more than one, like 3 cats or many cats. But sometimes when we add S, it can make the word mean happening now, like she stops her car at the red light. Then we have base words with ED. We had talked about when we add ED, that means something happened in the past. The first word here in purple is helped. The base word is help, add ED, and it's helped. Then we have, this is a long one. The base word is print, then add ED, and it's printed. Sometimes when we add ED, it sounds like duh, just D, like, oh, sorry, got a little mixed up. Sometimes when we add ED, it can sound like duh. Sometimes, like in helped, it can sound like T. And then sometimes it sounds like id, like in printed. Then we have base words adding ing. When we add ing to a base word, that means it's happening now too, just like when we add S. So here we have help is the base word, add ing, and it's helping. This word, print, is the base word, add ing, and it's printing. Then there's these 3 words down here in blue that I put because sometimes ing can be a little tricky. Ring has ing, but that's just the sound it has. That's part of the word. It's ring. We're not adding ing to the base word. It's just part of the word. But if we had a word like this one in blue, bending, now we have the base word bend, and then we add the ending ing. So ring could just be a sound that a phone makes or a piece of jewelry you wear on your finger, but you're not adding ing to the end of it. It's just part of the word. But bending, bend is the base word. You can bend your arm. You can bend a paper. But when you add ing, now ing is the ending. So the word is bending. And it's happening now. I am bending my arm to hold my phone. Then there's this kind down here. This word, or words like these, can be a little tricky because the base word is sing. Sing. So the ing in sing is part of the word. But then when you add ing, now you have the ending ing with a base word that already has ing. So sing is the base word, add ing, and it's singing. Alrighty, so that was kind of a lot of information, but that's pretty much what Foundations Unit 10 is all about. We also, in Unit 10, are going to learn about some long vowel sounds, but that'll be another video for another day. Okay, before we go, let's go over a few sounds that we talked about today and some other sounds that we've already learned about. Let's look at QU. Remember, QU says qua. QU, queen, qua. Then we've got our digraphs down here on the bottom. WH, whistle, wa. CH, chin, cha. SH, ship, sh, TH, thumb, th, and CK, sock, k. Then our glued sounds. We've got ing, ring, ing, ank, bank, ank, ung, lung, ung, and then onk, honk, onk. Okay, well, I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you or talk to you all again soon. And again, excuse my video making skills. I haven't made a video ever, pretty much. So that's that. Alrighty. See ya. Talk to you next time. Bye.